On this graph, the point where the supply curve S and the demand curve D intersect is the equilibrium E. On the graph, y-axis shows price, while the x-axis shows quantity for the good. By drawing this graph, we can show that in the market, equilibrium is established by the demand from consumers and the quantity supplied by the suppliers. The sixth principle of economics suggests that a market is a good way in order to organize economic activities, because in a market, buyers and sellers can meet to buy and sell products at a certain price. They take different decisions. For example, firms decide whom they need to hire and what to make and how to produce. On the other hand, households decide which firms they need to work for, what things to buy. Moreover, the decided market prices reflect both the value of the product to consumers and the cost of the resources used to produce it. At first glance, the success of market economies is puzzling. In a market economy, no one is looking out for the economic well-being of a society as a whole. Free markets contain many buyers and sellers of numerous goods and services, and all of them are interested primarily in their own well-being. Yet, despite decentralized decision-making and self-interested decision-makers, market economies have proven remarkably successful in organizing economic activity to promote overall economic well-being. Prices are the instrument with which the invisible hand directs economic activity. In any market, buyers look at the price when determining how much to demand, and sellers look at the price when deciding how much to supply. As a result of the decisions that buyers and sellers make, market prices reflect both the value of a good to society and the cost to society of making the good. Prices adjust to guide these individual buyers and sellers to reach outcomes that, in many cases, maximize the well-being of society as a whole. When the government prevents prices from adjusting naturally to supply and demand, it impedes the invisible hand's ability to coordinate the decisions of the households and firms that make up the economy. And now, to conclude this presentation, I'd like to quote a few words of Amartya Sen, as he says, "The market economy succeeds not because some people's interests are suppressed and other people are kept out of the market, but because people gain individual advantage from it." Thank you.